Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to enrich a list of leads from LinkedIn. You will need three tools. First, you will need Google Sheets with a list of leads and especially a list of LinkedIn URL profiles. Then you will need Derrick. Derrick is an extension of Google Sheet that helps you to create database, to clean database, etc., etc. You can download it here if you don't have it yet. And then you need an account on Sales Navigator. Let's go back to our Google Sheets. So we have our list of LinkedIn profile URLs. You open extension and you open Derrick. Then you stay on leads and you go enrich LinkedIn profiles. You select here the LinkedIn URL profile, which is here. Like you can see that all the titles of the table appear here. And we select LinkedIn URL profile. Let's go. Okay, great. The scrap is finished and we have new columns here, as you can see. So Derrick found new data. It took the first name and the last name it found on LinkedIn, the full name, the job title here, which is quite useful, the LinkedIn profile URL, the company LinkedIn profile URL, and the IDs and the company name. And that's it. If you have any question, you can ask the question under the video and we will answer it as soon as possible. If you like the video, you can put thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye!